All right, we are live. So we are DevRel at MongoDB, part of DevRel at least. And we are enjoying this fine Wednesday afternoon or morning, playing some Fall Guys and answering some MongoDB questions. So I'm Nic Raboy, but also on the stream we have Adrienne and Joe and Sheeri. I don't know, before we start playing, maybe you want to introduce yourselves in case this is the first time people are tuning in.
Adrienne, you go first.
Line maybe.
Hello, I am Adrienne Tacke. I'm a developer advocate as well. You may have seen me on here playing with Nic sometimes for Fall Guys, and we also do the game dev stream every other Wednesday. And you may have seen me also with some random streams like the What Does a Curriculum Engineer Do with Yulia Genkina. So hello, welcome to the stream.
My turn. My name is Joe Karlsson. You can follow me at Twitter at JoeKarlsson1. I'm a developer advocate at MongoDB. Do mostly no JavaScript stuff. I'm just excited to be playing video games on the day before Thanksgiving. It's going to be hard to get work done anyways today. So yeah, hit us up with any questions y'all got. We'd love to chat with you.
And then Sheeri just looks like she dropped off, but I'm sure she'll be back.
These people, no.
Yeah, when she comes back, we'll add her back to the stream and she can introduce herself. It's all good.
Yeah.
We are live in the chat today. So I mean, probably don't need to see that. I'm trying to switch between windows here. If you want to chat with us, please chat with us and engage.
And for reference, I am Mighty Sleeping Cookie in Fall Guys. I rolled and rolled and rolled until I got that nickname.
That's
nice,
such a good one. I didn't even think about doing that. Mighty Sparkling Spring. Mystic. That's cool. It sounds like a parody. I sound like LaCroix. I'll take it.
Yes, you do.
I'll take it.
Yeah, you do. You do.
Sound like
like a magical LaCroix. I'll take it though. It's not refreshing. Yeah, and Hazy Hopping Last. Hazy Hopping Last sounds like a name of like a pretentious beer. Like you'd get like an IPA or something. You know what I mean? Like you go to like a microbrewery and like get the hazy IPA, bro. Yeah, the hazy hoppy IPA.
I don't know why that seems to match your duck costume too.
Oh, you could totally see him hanging out at a microbrewery. Yeah, I love that.
Oh yes.
Hilarious.
Has anyone? Let me know in the chat too. Has anyone played Fall Guys before? Nick, Adrienne, and I.
You managing that handle?
Yeah, that's me on there. Yeah, that's me with that one. Yeah, I'm curious, because we played all the time at MongoDB, but or if anyone has any recommendations for games we should play in the future, let us know.
Yes, I still think a good game of Among Us would be good.
I realized I was the one holding us up.
It's all good.
Would you say Among Us? Whenever I hear Among Us, I always think Last of Us for some reason.
Yes.
I think it's the Us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be the most depressing game to play.
It would be.
Yeah.
No, Among Us would be super fun though.
At the edge of your seat.
Have you two played the recent new levels on here since the update?
No.
Oh my gosh. If we ever get the one called Big Fans, I absolutely despise that level. I hate that level.
Let me guess, there's a lot of humongous fans twirling on it.
It's one of the harder ones, supposedly, but it's just super frustrating. So.
Yeah, the fans are just tricky in general.
But this one's like, this one's okay. This one I like.
So right now everyone's watching my screen until I die.
And we're gonna try our best to switch.
Oh
no. I'm gonna try not to swear today.
I need to remember that.
It's gonna be. I'm gonna try my best here.
Oh no.
Oh,
this part's like Frogger.
These little pink triangles remind me of like little tongues. I don't know why. It's the color, I think. I think it's the color. Oh, no.
Nope. Like I said, it's hit or miss for me for this game. What?
Did you start all the way at the beginning?
Yeah.
Me too. I felt for like a really long time that it started me back at checkpoint.
That's new or a bug. It's a feature.
I've
it's probably a feature.
What the?
I'm fairly far, but this last part's kicking my butt.
Bam.
No! I'm usually not bad at those little... triangle rollers, but I am not doing
it. Is it spazzing out?
A little bit.
Big Yeetus.
The AWS
yes.
outage that they had today.
Bravo.
So it just put me back at the beginning, and I was pretty far.
Are we on hard mode or something?
Yeah.
Because usually you have the checkpoints. Oh, now I'm
Oh,
watching.
and it started speeding up on me too.
Really? Go, Nick.
Wait, you guys both finished?
Not yet. Not yet.
I'm finished.
Shit. Come on.
Yeah, I would have. I might have made it if it didn't put me back at the beginning for some strange reason.
I made it too. Okay. I get stressed. I get stressed.
I
don't think I'm gonna make it.
I think
it's
you
gonna
can
be.
do it, Nick.
It's gonna be close.
I was able to use the big Yeetus to get bumped up to the front. Ooh, you can make it. You got
this.
Nick. You can make it.
Yeah, stick to the right. You got this.
Oh
no!
Nick. All right, we got it. We're all in. We're all in. Oh, and Sheeri's back in too. So let's go ahead and add her over here. There we go. We got Sheeri back.
Is.
Hello.
Hello.
Sheeri, do you want to introduce yourself for people who may not know you?
Sheeri Cabral. I was a MySQL DBA for many, many years before coming to the light side because we have cookies and aggregation pipelines, and I love all that stuff. And so here I am, MongoDB. I'm a product manager here. I worked on the Ofish app, and now I actually work on the developer hub and making that better. So that's me.
And doing a great job with it.
Yes.
We're so excited you're here with us today.
Yay!
Yep.
Sheeri, you haven't played Fall Guys, but have you heard of it before?
No, I am not really a gamer, so
oh man.
Yeah.
Have you not been watching me and Adrienne's streams? I'm gonna
No, I've been. I know.
Time to start.
Isn't it terrible?
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Oh, this is like the most boring one to watch.
We've had like 10 streams so far of us trying to build a 2D version of this.
I did see one of them. I saw, I think, the first one, but I didn't realize you were like doing this game, or maybe I have a terrible memory. So.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Okay.
Watermelon, orange.
Yeah. This one's rough.
You gotta watch out for people who push you off. Watermelon.
Or the ones that fake you out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got this.
Woo.
Oof.
Woo!
Oh, somebody's trying to push me off.
Oh, it's hard to talk and remember.
Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty quiet for this one.
Okay. Ooh.
No. Oh, geez.
Banana, watermelon, grapes, cherry.
Watermelon, banana, grape, cherry. Watermelon, banana, grape, cherry. Woo.
I think I'm on the right one. Oh, I was not. All right.
I saw you plummet.
All right, I'll pick one of you to follow here.
Apple, banana.
There we go.
Oh my God, orange, apple, banana.
Adrienne, your screen's being shared.
Oh geez, no pressure.
Oh jeez.
Apple, banana, cherry. Oh God, which one?
What is it? Okay.
Oh God, grape.
I'm good over here. This is definitely grape.
To answer your question, Max, what do we have to do? We have to just memorize the tiles so that way we don't fall through.
Made it.
Woo, baby!
You made it except for me, huh?
Yeah. Oh, that was still only drop.
I know, right?
Are you gonna be the only one that leaves here? Oh, Nick.
Yeah. That was sad, right? That's my least favorite level because my memory is just shot.
It's hard, man. That's hard. Yeah, it's like hard and boring. It's a bad combo.
Oh no.
Okay. This one's just like a crapshoot whether a team like gets what's going on or not.
Yeah, but this is better because it helps protect against one of the strats.
Egg game, huh?
Yeah, but this one, like, your nests are lower, so it's harder for other teams to steal your eggs, which is what they do.
Right. Yeah. Somebody's asking, what do you have to do here?
I think. You go. I think that was Max's question. I think you just answered that, though, right? With the
for the previous level.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, I forgot. Golden.
No.
I think we're pushing StreamYard to the max here on what it could do.
Golden egg, golden egg, golden egg, golden egg, golden egg.
No! I think my own team member just stole my thing.
Oh, whoa. Why is there that in here?
Oh, no.
That's good. That's actually good, because then it deters people from stealing. Whoa.
Oh, no.
Are there any other eggs? Oops. There are no other eggs. So
Oh, golden egg. Oh, no.
Oh, ooh.
Golden egg on the loose in the middle.
No.
No!
I got it.
Okay, eggs are just rolling and yeah, I think the internet. Oh no, someone help. Okay, please.
So you having problems too because it's spazzing out.
It's
super hard for
stuttering.
you right
Yeah,
now.
it's definitely stuttering. And I'm wondering if it's just like, yeah, I wonder if it's all of us. It's hard to tell.
Yes.
No.
So you said there's an outage today for AWS?
Yes, yeah. East Coast went out today. There was something with Kinesis I saw that went out.
Ooh. Oh no.
Get the
What
hell?
do data have problems?
Oh,
That's for
geez,
sure.
I just lost the egg.
Oh, I see you. Okay.
I got it.
Go.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
There's a yellow guy in our base chucking eggs out. I'm gonna go ruin his life.
What happened to the egg? What happened? I was holding the egg. Okay.
This guy's clearing us out.
Whee.
Yeah, I think stream. Oh my god, I think I just yeeted a.
Oh, sorry. You're on our team. Sorry. It's stuttering. Sorry.
Yeah,
Oh!
we don't normally play games
Oh,
like
look,
this.
Look, a little
at
Yeetus.
MongoDB.
You see the little Yeetus? Did you see it? Oh no.
Oh,
it's
it finally booted us.
Why?
Oh.
That's not cool.
Maybe we're doing too well.
Did we pick the wrong data to do this?
I wonder if it's
Wrong day to stop sniffing glue.
That's right. That's right. Oh, I love Airplane. I wonder if it's us or them. Maybe all of us got kicked out at the same time.
Yeah, someone.
Usually when one party member gets kicked, you all get kicked.
Because we're in the group. That makes sense.
We can try sharing less screens. Do you want to? I'll take my screen off the list. I know I have the weakest of the internet connections. You both have fiber over there, right?
Yes.
Not yet. I wish.
Oh, guys,
Just
do you know what my problem is?
What?
My problem is that apparently, is it Windows only? I'm only seeing the Windows versions.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, well, then I can't play because I don't
Oh,
have a
man.
Windows machine.
Oh.
And
No
Steph is saying,
wonder.
"What's up?" It's all good. You could help us in the chat. We got Steph saying, "What's up, everyone?"
Yes, it is a Mongo party before
It is a
the
Mongo
break.
party. So it's Mongo Developer Relations folks playing Fall Guys. And then if you have any Mongo questions, we're also here to answer them in between shouting at video games.
That's right. We can also answer Thanksgiving questions, but we're not as
Well,
not as-
U.S. Thanksgiving for me. I don't know about y'all.
That's right. Yeah. I'm curious
I
where people
smoked
are.
a turkey the other day.
You did? Do you have like one of those green eggs or something?
No, I just put a whole turkey in the smoker. It came out good.
How many hours was it in the turkey? Was it in the
It's
smoker?
about 7 hours.
Is that all?
Yeah.
So what do
I
you do
need
then?
a smoker.
Do you still need to cook it then afterward? I've never smoked anything before.
No, it cooks. You just got to bring it up to the right temperature.
So then
It's
you just
it's a low. Think of it as putting in the oven on a really low temperature, but then
Yep,
it also
yep.
adds the smoke flavor. So it's just like a low and slow, but with the smoke flavor. I need to get.
You
a
generally
smoker.
cook a turkey at a low temperature, anyways.
That's true. So then do you just like reheat it on Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving is every day this month for me, so
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
there's no laws this year, so
Yeah.
you could anything goes.
No, it's true because turkeys are
Yeah.
just super affordable right now. It's just like you can get.
Yeah, $1 a pound is
Got-
awesome.
It's
There is a
incredible.
question:
Got the
how can I
Christmas tree
assign?
out.
How can I assign data to each individual user in MongoDB? That seems like it's a larger question. I mean, you could make a user collection where you have information about each user in documents. So you'd have a user document, and my document would have my address, all my phone numbers would be in an array. That's kind of a basic answer, but it sounds like this is more of like a big schema question. So hopefully that is a good enough answer.
Like you can do user management stuff. So if it's like an access issue, you can do like managing who can access what and what kind of data what they can do with different types of data too.
Oh,
yeah,
geez.
it does sound like a schema issue. Depends on like what kind of application you're building for sure, I think.
Hold on.
Oh!
Right.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Trying to. I don't know what just spazzed out on my end. Something just spazzed
geez.
out.
Okay.
I'm just going to blame us on...
Are you still
server
able
issues.
to play?
Yeah, you still in?
I think my Xbox controller just spazzed out. It's
Oh,
still
no.
vibrating for some strange reason.
I'm like in last. How is...
That's how you. That's why you don't play with a controller, Nick.
Oh.
Keyboard mouse purist. No.
I know, right?
No.
Yeah, I didn't make it. I had a hiccup.
Whew. I'm in.
All right.
Made
Yeah,
it.
it's like still vibrating and going off the rails here. So I don't know.
Weird. Time to get a PlayStation. Where's your PlayStation controller? Where's your PlayStation 5
like-
controller, Nick? Can you
Yeah, I
get
can't
that?
secure one.
Oh.
Ooh, too soon. Too soon.
Yeah, Otto was messing with me too, I think, because he said they were going to be back in stock at GameStop at 7 p.m. and I waited around at 7 p.m. refreshing and it never came.
Oh.
That's so sad.
Otto's like.
I know, right? Never came.
If
I
you
think
had-
Walmart has them in stock tonight.
If you had gotten it, you wouldn't have these controller problems now, probably.
I know, right?
It could have been fixed.
I would have precision in this game.
Is there something cool about them, like haptic,
Yeah.
things, or like puts resistance when you click the triggers or whatever? Is that a thing, or did I make that up?
It might be a marketing ploy. I don't know.
I feel like they always the 6-axis controller on the PS3. It was like oh, and then no one did anything with it ever.
Pikachu, my buddy, has a question of how to use MongoDB like Firebase for mobile app storage. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you asked this question because I love MongoDB for mobile app storage. You can use Realm, which is, if you've heard of Realm, it was its own product, and then we acquired them. And you can use Realm to be your mobile app storage, and it will seamlessly synchronize with an Atlas cluster if you have an Atlas cluster. So it's pretty cool for that.
Oh, whoo! I'm in, baby.
No! I'm not.
Don't worry
gonna
about interrupting us. That's what we're here for. I'm actually here
Yeah.
just to I should start commentating. Is that the right word?
Yep, there you
Commentating
go.
on the actual game.
That's right.
But
Siri,
I
if this
didn't realize
computer
this
thing
is,
doesn't work out, you can become an announcer for like ML.
Yeah.
Was it Major League
Oh, yeah.
Gaming? MLG?
yes, 30
to-
qualified.
Yeah.
You can share a link of where I
Start
can learn
annotating
use
the
Realm,
screen.
yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Are you sharing?
It's Adrian. You get
sharing-
through, or is it?
No, I didn't. Can you share Joe's screen?
Yes.
Yes, I can.
Because I am eliminated.
This,
Oh, this one
to be
is-
clear to all the people watching, this literally never happens when we play. I never am the last one.
Of course it doesn't. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's all on you.
keep
It's all on
low
you.
expectations here. This one's also a jumping challenge, which I don't know how to jump very well.
Oh, this
so,
one's rough.
Yeah, so this
Um,
one, you either have to get 6 of the white hoops. That's why there's a 0 over 6 counter there. Or if you get one of the golden hoops, you jump through them, then you automatically qualify. So,
Just headbutted it. Here's the thing: they just wait for someone to move it, so I'm not gonna
Yes.
help them.
yeah.
I'm just gonna actually. There's 3 over there. That guy just got through.
We
Oh
have
my
some
gosh.
questions coming in.
Nick, can I not type in answers to the questions?
Unfortunately, I think I didn't give you admin to the StreamYard. So,
All right,
but if you
if
go
you
to
go
the
to-
Twitch
yeah.
site, go to the Twitch site and just
Okay.
enter the comment
Oh
there.
yeah, that's right.
I gave you admin now for there.
Great, excellent. The short answer to where can you learn more about Realm.io is Realm.io, but I will paste the link, and then you would click on products database. Hold on a second. I am getting a security code to my email.
Oh, you weren't logged into Twitch?
Apparently not.
Got it.
Sheeri had nothing set up. At least you're getting it set up now, though.
Literally nothing set up.
On
Yes,
air, it's
exactly.
good. At least better late than never, you know.
Well,
right.
and Steam had been sending me so much stuff that I kind of I filtered off their stuff, so I couldn't even find.
Oh, sure. Like it just like is hidden in your emails. Yeah. Oh,
yes, and then I couldn't find even to log into Steam.
Oh yes. Okay, my strategy right now is just to sit and wait by a base and just wait for like things to pop up. Like this guy. Yes. Here we go.
You're good.
Oh,
we have a question coming in about SSRS reporting.
Yeah. Any good reporting tools like SSRS to use with that? Oh, yes.
Sorry, we just saw a golden hoop. Got lost.
Oh, go get that golden hoop. So MongoDB.
No!
MongoDB charts is pretty amazing for reporting tools. Charts is effectively free. It's based on bandwidth, and basically if you use more than a gig of bandwidth, which is just the actual data, the results that come back in your charts, and you're probably not using that much data in your charts because it's hard to visualize stuff. I've been using charts for about 6 months and never had to pay for it for an app that I'm doing. So it's really good. It's effectively free. There's actually a MongoDB podcast that Nic and Mike did with Tom Hollander that talks about charts, which is very, very good.
Nice plug. Let me throw that
well,
up on the
I
screen.
just listened to it the other day.
No!
I've never got that close. That was so that was so hard. Oh, podcast very cool. Sorry, that was the most stressful.
Did we all lose?
Just
yes.
I hang on, I gotta leave. Okay.
Yeah, let me get back in there.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna breathe again.
Yeah. You put up that link, but I'm gonna stick it in the chat.
Yeah, go for it.
That's the podcast index. But I'm going to find the actual link to the episode itself so people can just
Sweet.
Can just go right there.
I think Mike actually did a follow-up recording with Tom with some new features as well.
Yeah, that was the
That's
updates.
right,
Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, right, because apparently it was episode 20 was the thing, but I just listened to it because I'm a little behind. That's
good.
That's the September podcast. And then we'll go to the update was on the 23rd of November. So it was just a couple days ago. Okay. Copy link address.
How's that new fiber treating you, Adrienne?
Great.
Did they just like drop it in your neighborhood like recently? Is that why you just got it?
Yeah, we've been waiting forever to get fiber, but they just weren't available in our area. And then the moment it became available, we called to have it installed.
I'm so jealous. I used to have it. I moved. Don't have it anymore. If you look at the map too, it's just like a dead zone right around my house of no fiber. It's like it's so close.
Yeah.
It's so far away. Oh! I'm jealous.
Been great. It's like almost a gig up and down.
So
That's
much.
Beautiful.
That's right.
You can send so much MongoDB data over the wire.
Yes.
You can send so many documents.
Be jealous. Oh no, wait. This is Otto's least favorite one.
Yes. The big fan. I've played this game many times. I've never successfully passed through the center fan. And I will try forever without stop. I'm going to get it. Someday. Maybe not today, maybe.
Bait.
Today would be the best day while everyone's watching.
Are we getting? I can't tell if the frame rate issues on StreamYard are accurate or not. Like, does it actually look janky on our stream,
Let us know, chat.
or is it just me?
Yeah.
It was a little shanky at the beginning there. It looks okay now.
We've never tried to stream like this before.
It's a lot of data going through the tubes right now. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I closed everything on my computer too.
I would think with Amazon down, there's less stuff going through the tubes. But yeah, you want to close all of like your email, anything that pushes. Like I found Evernote takes up a ton of bandwidth.
Really?
And look at people. Oh my gosh, can you get up the ramp and through the fan? Don't go to the fan. Don't get. Oh no, you got. Oh no.
I'm gonna try it again.
Oh, into the drink.
Oh,
That's like playing Mario Kart on Rainbow Road. I just fall right off. Wee.
Sometimes you get lucky and it just like skyrockets you to the other side. That is not the case today, though.
Oh, is that
I
Nick?
think
Is
I
that
made
you,
it.
little red guy?
No, that's me.
No, I'm the
Unfortunately.
pigeon.
Oh no, that's me.
I made it.
Joe, you're doing great.
I also made it.
Well,
Well, you are doing great.
Here we go.
Here we go,
baby.
Joe. This is it. This is it.
Woo!
You got this, Joe.
Here we
You
go.
got this.
I'm in,
You
baby.
got this.
Last
And
stretch.
yes, winner! Woo! Join your buddies.
Sometimes that last jump just I can't do it. But hey, today's the day. All three of us. Is this the first time we've all gotten through the first
think
round?
so.
I guess we did.
Yeah.
We're gonna get that crown.
Woohoo. Oh noes. Yeah.
Split that crown
great.
3 ways.
Does anybody have more MongoDB questions as we're going to the next level? How can you level up in MongoDB like we are leveling up in Fall Guys?
That's a great question.
Jump.
How do y'all learn stuff? I think that's a common thing, especially for newbies. Like if you have to learn, I say you have to learn this new piece of tech. How do you guys go about doing that?
I mean,
Google.
what's the context in which you have to learn it? Right? Like
Doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't matter for me. I learn, I guess, if it's for work or for a personal project.
I have to
Is
learn
yours
by
different?
doing, right? Well, so for
Yeah.
example, one of the projects that I have is I tweet a lot, and I've tweeted a lot for like 12 years, 13 years, and I want to kind of delete some of the older tweets that are not useful anymore. So I downloaded my tweet stream, which is easy to do. It's free and whatever, and it's in JSON. So it's so easy to slap it into MongoDB. And then I wrote a Python script to look at the content printed to the screen and then say delete yes or no. So I can easily go through and figure out what I can delete. You can also do things like if it has no comments, delete it, or if it has no retweets, delete it. So it was just a lot of like, how do I connect to Twitter with Python, right? And then look that up and then figure that out. So that, I figured out what libraries I needed. And but like, it wasn't quite like learn Python, right? It was like learn how to interact with MongoDB database and with Twitter.
Yeah, I think that's super common. When you find something that you need to do, I find that's always the
Oh,
best way to learn it, because there's a goal at the end. It's not a huge topic that you're just like, where do I start? And I think that's
Right.
where a lot of people get overwhelmed. So,
Oh my god.
I hate this version. This is where
And
I
you
was-
also know when you're successful, right? Like if
Yeah.
I could make the features I wanted to, I was successful.
For me, yeah, motivation's the biggest thing for me. Like, oh no,
Oh, what? I got eliminated.
also me. I also got eliminated.
Oh, you're right in front of me.
I never
Did we all
make
get
it.
eliminated?
Yeah, I never make it through that level when those hammers are on the slime part.
It's so hard. Like, just what's the worst is just like when you could see the end, you can taste
You're
it.
like, it's right there.
It's
Ooh.
right there, and it
I
just.
got a
didn't
new
matter.
pattern. Let me equip that pattern. Bam.
I'm not jealous.
So let me ask you guys a question. Do you guys have a personal, like private GitHub repository where you just have like random scripts for things? So for example, I have a script to change my monitor when I get up and use the treadmill desk. And like, I accidentally deleted a bunch of stuff and I was like, oh, this is bad. So I ended up, when I recreated it, put it in GitHub repo. Do you guys do that? Or is that just like
Everything's public. I don't know. I guess I don't have anything that's. I don't have any like private repos. Yeah, but I like scripting that stuff. Yeah, totally. I do most of my Z shell stuff. I have like a massive alias list in my Z shell.
Right.
commands
Like, wouldn't
for-
you be sad if that like went away?
That's why, yeah, totally. That's why, like, there's some great projects for like backing up dot files. Cause we switch computers so much. It's like, it's just a pain to get all that out there. Yeah, I totally agree. Backing up is huge.
Yeah. Like my bash profile is in there,
Yeah,
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah, I think I do private gists if it's stuff like that I
Yeah.
don't necessarily want to share.
Yeah, I decided to just make a repo called scripts or whatever that, and I actually, because I'm that kind of a geek, what I did was it's in my home directory under scripts, so things like my bash profile are in there, but I made a generate readme.py, a Python file that will go and look at every single file, and there's just comments at the top of every file that are the title and the description. And so it will go through and generate a readme.py, a readme.md for everything based on the title and description.
That's pretty cool.
Nice.
So that I know what's in my own repo.
You have so many stuff. It's hard to like know where everything is, especially if it's like not organized or like. Yeah, that's amazing. I love that. That's such an engineer way to solve it. Just like writing a program to like automate this mundane task.
Well, and I didn't even need to automate it. I just knew that I would be like, didn't I have a script that did a thing? And I wouldn't want it to be like, 3 levels deep in GitHub. Let's see. Can we share multiple screens at a time here? I'm wondering if this is like, no? Okay. Maybe afterwards I can share my screen with that. I could show you my readme.
Oh, that'd be so cool. MD. Yeah, like StreamYard's amazing. It makes like streaming so much easier, but like you lose some of that like granular control you could do with OBS. Oh no!
Yeah, I don't know what kind of frame rate issues we're having right now.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, I also have some things that aren't scripts, but they're just like written text things and stuff to do. Like if my computer reboots, woohoo, go Joe! If my computer reboots, like what do I have to do to like start up my Vagrant boxes and whatever. So I literally have something called startup. I have something called new machine. So it's like I have to install these keys on it. And of course I only started making this like a month or two ago. So right now it's like make sure to install the command line tool for GitHub desktop so that you can write GitHub dot to open the current directory in GitHub desktop. But like anytime I get a new thing of like configure your computer this way. Joe, I love your dancing.
Well, I got top 5, baby.
Woohoo! Oh yeah, that is worth dancing. It's not worth me dancing because nobody wants to see that, but
no, you're through.
Barely.
But I'll stand.
Did you make it, Nick?
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, good.
Oh, we were just waiting for me.
Oh, I see.
Sorry.
There we go. No, you're good. You got just through.
I know.
That was very close call, that one.
I was hoping there was not one of those trolls where they wait at the very last minute. And
to pull you down.
Yeah, take the last step.
So it looks like we got a sudden surge of watchers all of a sudden. So I think we should give everyone an update on what the heck we're doing here, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, good. Nick, you want to do it? We'll do it. Can I do it? Oh my god, I'm gonna do it. Hey everyone!
Do it.
We have looks like 19 eyeballs on us right now. Welcome everyone. We're playing Fall Guys today. We're doing AMA. Ask us questions about MongoDB, about us, about our lives, our careers. We're gonna try our best to win a crown today. You might see our first crown win live, and just hang out with us. It's pre-Thanksgiving. All of us are just like, it's hard to work. So we're going to do, today's kind of a fun stream just to kind of relax, hang out, and chat with all y'all today. Did I miss anything? How was that, Nick?
No, that was good.
I don't think I've ever done an intro like that. That felt really good.
We're like some of the few people still in at MongoDB, right? Today.
Yeah, a lot of people took this week or even today off. I was actually kind of frustrated because there was one group had office hours. And they were like, make sure you put your stuff before 10 a.m. the morning of office hours. And I put my stuff in yesterday, and then they canceled the meeting this morning. And I was like, no, I wanted to actually ask you that one little question. So, oh, look at you. You guys are at the end. Woohoo!
Yep, I made it.
Did that just made it easier?
Yeah.
Whoa! Okay.
Look at that.
We got lucky.
That was...
See, now I'm frustrated. I want to play that, but I don't have a PS2 or a Windows machine.
Maybe you got to get one, too.
Do you guys do you want me to be super embarrassing of myself? Do you know what gaming system I have? I have a
NES.
Nintendo Wii. No, see, like an NES would be cool. And we have, I think, the original PlayStation. I'm gonna go actually look. It's in the basement.
Is Wii the best-selling console of all time?
Maybe.
A
Sega Dreamcast.
Oh, Switch beat it. That's amazing.
No, I could be wrong though.
No, I actually wouldn't be surprised, especially like I feel like that happened when Animal Crossing came out. Like that was like
basically.
That was like the final surge. Let's see, which one are we?
Wait,
we
capture the tail.
So I have a tail.
This one's
so I have to go.
No, I don't like this.
What do you do? Grab people? Is that right?
If you don't have a tail, you have to grab one, and if you do have one, make sure you keep it.
Got it. Oh, I see
geez.
you. Okay, run! I don't know if
Yeah.
someone's behind. Oh!
I don't.
it's
how
not
is
an
everyone
original
so much
PlayStation.
faster than me?
I have a Sega Dreamcast
That's
Ooh.
cool.
and a Nintendo Wii. It's to play like one game, and I forget what game it is. It's my husband. Does it.
Crazy Taxi.
D2?
Did you say T2? Like
I
Terminator
said
2?
D. No, as in database. D as in database. 2.
Oh, gotcha. Oh! Get here! I'm right behind you. I'm gonna get your tail.
No, we're on the same team, aren't we?
I'm gonna wait for you to. Come here!
We're on the same team. What are you
Okay.
doing, Joe?
Oh! Okay, I got yeeted by the hammer. I'm sorry.
Oh, jeez.
Oh!
Joe, what are you doing?
No!
On the same team.
I couldn't help it. Ah, Nick, I see you.
No.
Oh, no.
Hot dog.
It's the final countdown.
Oh,
No!
snap.
Fighting game? You guys
Oh,
got
I still
that?
got
Who's
one.
got the tail?
I got one.
Nick! I got the tail.
Joe took my tail. Ah!
Oh, that's a different Joe. That wasn't me that time.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes.
I'm gone.
I just got
I'm
one.
in.
Last second.
Somebody took my tail.
Woo!
You should
Wait.
switch.
Yeah, switch it to Joe's screen. Adrienne.
Joe or yours. Oh, yeah, I'll do it.
I'm not
Sony
sure anymore. My
PlayStation
internet couldn't handle
2.
it.
Sony PlayStation
PlayStation
2
2?
is the most selling 155 million units sold. Then after that, the Nintendo DS,
Wow,
then the
interesting,
Game
yeah.
Boy, then the PlayStation
Oh.
4, then the PlayStation, then the Wii. So
Well,
yeah,
I'm shocked by that actually. Wow, I
This
mean,
is
I
my
believe
least
it.
favorite level.
Rocket League, the Fall Guys.
Joe, you're gonna have to carry the team on this one.
Oh, good
All right,
luck.
make sure somebody acts as goalie, please. That's the one thing they don't do correctly in these team games.
That's true.
I
All
hope
offense.
the rest of this team knows what they're doing.
Like, if you see some people who are acting as goalie, then you can safely play.
It looks like our team knows what
Offense.
they're doing.
Good.
We've already got
good.
what two scores?
Ooh, yeah.
Almost.
Almost.
Oh, there goes
Bam.
one. Oh, I think that was me.
Nice.
Nice. All right.
Pikachu, your buddy, asking the hard questions. How do you build a good tech resume, like live projects and links and resume
Ooh.
experience and stuff, preparing for interviews?
Ooh.
I have a very
No!
basic
Oh,
hand-coded in HTML with no CSS, what I call a curriculum vitae, a CV of stuff that doesn't
Yeah.
go on my resume at sheeri.com/resume. And so it has things like presentations I've done and links to the presentations and links to the videos of presentations. It has software I've written and links to, whether the GitHub or the SourceForge, because I'm old, of those things.
SourceForge.
Yeah, like links to books I've written or edited, which is pretty cool. I didn't want to put anything I edited because I was like, who cares? But then I edited a CJ date book, and I'm like, okay, so you've got the guy who founded databases, and then I'm the one who had to technically edit him. It was it's a little crazy. So that's what I've done.
I would just put everything. I think it doesn't matter what it is. It just depends. Is it done? Just make stuff you like. Because I feel like I'd rather have finished projects than a zillion half not completed projects. And I feel like I have a better shot if you like something. Actually, making it completed. But yeah, just put everything on there. Even if you think it sucks, just someone else might.
Yeah,
not,
I put on random certifications that I got, and I don't. Some of these certifications are you watched a video and then you took a test, and if you were breathing during the video, you get the certification. But I put it on there anyway because why not? Right?
Yeah.
Qualified.
Which actually no, and I should qualify that, right? Because MongoDB has certifications actually as part of our. We have MongoDB University, which is free and amazing. It's actually how I learned MongoDB. It's how our employees learn MongoDB.
Final
and
level.
Joe is dancing because of the game, but I think he's also dancing because MongoDB University is awesome.
Yeah. Both are true. Yeah,
And
both are true.
we have certification on it, and you definitely have to work. And in fact, just the courses themselves, you have to work at it to really
Joe, we got this.
do it.
Yeah. This is final round, baby.
You
Double
guys got
crown.
this. You could do this. Sam's pop guy
We have,
says cover letters, yes or no. 100% absolutely yes, and tailor it to the job that you're looking at. If you look at a job description and it says we want you, like, let's say you're looking for a developer relations job description, just because that's what, in the room, here we are. And it's like, gives, presentations at conferences and, things like that. Then you want your cover letter to say things like, I've given lots of, or kind of link to, the presentations you've given. If it's going to be, collaborating with others, or if it's going to be, you look at the job description and like everything that's on that job description should be addressed either in your cover letter or your resume.
Another really good thing for cover letters too is if there are things in your resume that might seem questionable, like gaps or things that doesn't look like a straight line of your experience, that's also a really good way to explain them in the cover letter. So that way they're not caught off guard when they're looking at the resume. I know a lot of people who, either had to take time off for work for whatever reason or whatever. If you just look at the resume, you just think, oh, this person just, skipped a bunch of jobs or had some gaps in their resume, but they took the time to explain it in the cover letter and it fared a little bit better for them, at least because there's an explanation.
Oh, that's good. Also, I would say
The
no
stress of
objective-
this level.
I know. We're getting to the end of it here. No objective statement on your resume, though. I think those are like, everyone skips those. They're the same thing. Like a objective-focused leader with great communication skills is totally useless. Like, include like your cover letter to make that more substantive, so you don't waste time on your resume saying things that just no one cares about.
Yeah, well, and you want to tie it into stuff that they do. Like if you have it on your resume that you want to be, take big risks and do big things. Like, okay, that's great, but like in your cover letter, you can tell a story about how that really motivates you, and that's when you do your best work. And that's really what people care about. Like,
No!
yeah.
It's
Oh
all
no,
on you,
ow.
Nick. It's all on you,
An
Nick.
employer is
No! He knocked me
no.
over. He grabbed me.
That's the strat.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
He grabbed me and it knocked me over.
So is this round just like who can stay alive the longest?
Yes.
Yeah, we've
You
never
start with 60
we've
and
never
it
gotten
wheels it down to 1 every round.
Man.
Oh,
Right, but no,
close.
some of the rounds you like finish though, and there's like an end, and
yeah. So every round, like people get eliminated until you get to the end. So there's one person.
Oh,
left.
that was stressful.
right, that was the end. Okay,
You get
'cause a lot of it was the
pantaloons,
qualifying and whatnot.
Finally.
Pantaloons.
Oh.
In
Okay.
regards to resumes, I was actually at a meetup and I have no idea if this technique works. It sounds pretty black hat, but one of the people were saying that when you make your PDF resume, do a layer in your PDF that's transparent or the same color as your background,
Oh.
and then when you submit it
With the
online,
Keywords.
yeah, with the keywords, when you submit it, the bots will pick up all your keywords, but when somebody actually goes to read it, they see exactly what you want them to see.
Nick, that's
That's
kind of
so-
genius.
Don't
I have
you
no
need
idea if
the
it works or
keywords-
not.
Don't you
Oh.
need the keywords in your resume anyway, though? Like,
Yeah, because that's so smart though. Because like you submit it to a giant database. Someone in tech recruiting just does a keyword search for what they need for the job,
Yeah.
and then they pull it out. Nick, that's pretty smart.
I have no idea if it works.
Gaming the system.
I'm gonna
that's only
try
going to
that.
get you so far, though, right? Because if
Gets
I'm
you in
a
the front
manager
door, baby.
reading,
Yeah.
That's all you
I'm
need.
pretty sure a recruiter would pick it up, though. Like
don't
if you
think
had
so.
all
Like,
these
You
like
think?
database-
When's the last time you got a
Keywords.
recruiter email?
They're not that tech
probably
savvy.
yesterday.
They just like throw it in a system, run some things on it. I don't know.
They don't.
I mean-
they don't even have my name correctly when they send me a message.
I think that's interesting.
That's the other hack that I've seen was people this one. Good luck, you guys. This one is the worst.
What is this nightmare?
It's a nightmare. You'll just see it. But another hack I've seen is they put like an emoji in the front of their LinkedIn name. That
I
way
just
they
did
know.
this. Yep. Finish it. No, I just did this. I love this.
Ooh, that sounds cool, Pikachu.
Oh
Working
my god,
on a
that
game,
looks fantastic. Yeah.
right? That would totally stand out
There
to
you
me.
go.
Oh, that'd be
See,
cool.
It's that kind of creativity I think
Yeah.
stands out.
Yeah, be
It will.
unique. Yeah.
Good luck, you
That's
two.
how you close
Good
the
luck.
deal.
Adrienne was talking about the emoji thing with LinkedIn, but if the reason that you do that is so like you can know whether a recruiter's using like a bot
What
to just
the
like
hell is this
do
level?
automated messages for you. Oh!
I told you. This level is
How do you
ridiculous.
do this?
This is
You got-
madness.
I told you. You gotta be really careful and time it and then you got to walk on the edges. But if you're not exactly right on the edges of the wheel, then you can fall off. Also,
Or somebody knocks you off.
Yeah, any little bump from someone will also knock you off.
It's just
Oh my gosh,
slow.
we have such an amazing question. Hello, MongoDB lovers. I have data containing either CET time zone or UTC. My app is displaying dates only in CET. How should I handle the storing and querying of the data? I know MongoDB saves dates as UTC by default, but when the app makes a request, it will have CET timestamps. Wouldn't it be too inefficient converting dates constantly? On the other hand, saving dates to CET would be a nightmare with the summer-winter time switches. What would you recommend? Thank you. You're awesome.
Oh no!
I always recommend UTC. Summer-winter time switches are terrible. Not so much when you skip an hour because you just have an hour of no data, but there's a huge problem when you have like double the time. So for us, it happens to be in the spring when we switch to summertime. We end up falling back an hour. So at 3 a.m., we go back to 2 a.m. So if you had something that had equal amounts of traffic for every hour of the day, then at 2 a.m., you would see double the traffic because you had that hour twice. I would absolutely do UTC. It does take time to convert. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can do benchmarks if you really want. Have a database with 1 million records in UTC and have a database with 1 million records with CET, and run your application against both of them, right, in your staging environment, and benchmark and see how much faster it is. Because if you're getting 10 milliseconds slower, but you never have the headache of date time stuff, to me that's a huge win, right? Unless you're working for Facebook, I don't think like a 10 millisecond delay is going to be a problem. It's probably not even 10 milliseconds. It's like 1 millisecond maybe. But I would benchmark to see what the loss really is. But for me, always having it in UTC is completely 100% worth it.
Yes.
Are you still playing? I beat this level.
Are you serious?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh!
I did the slow and steady approach.
Oh,
I did
you
slow and
almost got
steady.
pushed onto the thing.
Oh no!
That was great. That was fantastic.
Oh no!
Yay! Anytime. I'm glad you liked the answer.
You did slow and steady? No thanks.
No thanks.
No!
No! Oh, there's no way. There's no
Oh no!
Don't rush
There's
it.
no
Yeah, I don't
time.
think I will get this either. This
There's
one
no time.
sucks.
There's
Yeah,
no time.
this one sucks.
I think I was
hate
like
this
number
one.
6.
Nick, I'm impressed,
Oh
man.
no!
I think you're right though. You just gotta like wait it out. Just be.
Yeah, I was just waiting for him to spin all the way around.
Just chill.
It's like
Don't
making
rush
an
it.
omelet, not the breaking eggs
Yeah.
part, but like you can't just put it on high to cook it. You have to put it on like medium and just wait forever.
Exactly.
This fan keeps messing up my life. There we go. I think I would have gotten it.
Oh,
I was feeling good about it.
Look at you backwards. Oh, time, you're almost there too.
Well, I'm still in. Should I bounce out or should I stay in?
No.
Joe,
No,
none of
stay
my
in.
fans
You
ever.
gotta show your
ruin my
screen
life.
now, Nick, though.
Otherwise, I can.
Or wait, we can
Yeah, hold
spectate
on.
you.
Yeah, I'll
Never mind.
spectate you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
spectate me.
Yeah. I think we're still on my screen. Yes.
Because you're on a PS, right, Nick? So you can't really share your screen.
No, I'm on a computer. I don't think
I
we
should
can
be working,
cross-play on
but
a
don't.
PlayStation.
Oh. Are you guys more of a fan of AWS or Azure? And what about Google? No love for Google.
Sam's pop guy's trying to start a flame war here, I think.
Seriously.
I know, right?
I think that most of my experience has been in Azure, so I actually prefer Azure over
But,
AWS.
Microsoft response.
Tell
right
me
there.
some of the good things about Azure, because I feel like AWS was the first one that I used, and I've been using it for like 12 years at this point, which is ridiculous. So I know a lot about. I also have a lot of, because when you use something early on and it's terrible, you kind of get a preconceived notion, and
Yes.
so like for me, AWS, I'm like, oh, it's so terrible, but it's not. Like, it's really awesome. So tell me what's awesome about Azure, because I've heard really good things about some of their data analysis and stuff. But what do you like about it,
Yes.
Adrienne?
For the most part, I like the fact that it's improved in their documentation. So when I go to learn anything new, whether that's Azure functions or using DevOps, I like the fact that they have a lot of labs that you can actually go through and do it yourself in some sandbox environments. And their documentation is just, for me, much easier to go through than AWS. AWS, every time I go in there, I get so confused. It's like you need to know the names of things before you can even get started with something. Whereas in my experience with Azure, I know I want to do something, and you can kind of connect the pieces. You don't need to know what the name of the service is or anything like that. You can just go through. So I like the fact that they focus on documentation to make it good for beginners, which makes it much more approachable, especially if you are new to cloud development in general.
Wait. How did I qualify? It says 30 out of 29.
I saw that too. I have no idea how that happened. Yeah,
41
went over. Was it 29? That doesn't seem
30.
Yeah.
It said 30 out of 29. Well, that's
Nick,
great. I
you're
feel
lucky.
like AWS, I love AWS's documentation because it's so detailed, but I also recognize that somebody who's new to it, where do you even start, right? And there's just so many moving parts to AWS that you have to set up.
Yeah. I think now, after you get used to one, I'm fairly familiar with the Azure ecosystem. So now it's just a matter of what is it called in AWS? Then it's easier for me to go over and say, oh, okay. For example, durable functions, it's like step functions in AWS, or that's the closest one to it. So, but I think you still need that background and experience first for it to make more sense to you if you're going to find the feature that's equivalent in AWS. But I've heard good things about AWS too. I mean, it's the market leader for a reason, right?
Yes. And what I really love about AWS is that because they brought this to the forefront, back when I was doing things, it was okay, here's what you need. You need to be able to get a machine up and running. One of your machine dies. Maybe it's a database. Maybe it's a web server. Maybe it's a load balancer. One of them dies. Get another one up within 20 minutes. And we didn't have things like configurations for stuff we didn't always have configuration management that everyone was using. And so AWS really forced that on people. And I think that was a great thing because they forced us to have what we should have anyway.
Yeah.
So lots of respect and love. So
nice.
Speaking of respect and love, Nick, man, you are on fire.
You crushing it right now.
In a good way.
Still haven't got that crown though.
Not how 2020's on fire, in a good way.
Hey, for that dumpster fire website, did you ever get your message board, Adrienne?
I haven't seen it yet, no. So I'm still waiting.
I'm 3D printing out 2020 dumpster fire ornaments for my friends right now.
Nice.
Nice.
I should show you later on. That website is hilarious though. Yeah, but I feel with preference for cloud providers, it depends what your stack is, what you're comfortable with, what you want to learn, what features, then services they have that you want access to. It's and every project's different. Multi-cloud I think is really hot right now too. AWS went down this morning. If you have multi-cloud, you don't have to worry about getting downtime if you're distributed. I wish MongoDB had something like a multi-cloud database.
We sure do. I was just going to say, the cool part about MongoDB is that when you're using Atlas, you can use multi-cloud stuff. So if you want to use
solved that problem already?
Yes, we did.
Hey.
I mean, very recently, to be fair.
Yeah, you got to tune into the podcast episode that we did.
What? That's amazing. That would make life so much easier. You don't have to worry about downtimes. You don't have to be stuck on a single cloud provider. Everyone wins.
All you, Nick. All you. Are you
Nick,
going to do the 6 hoop
I don't think I've
approach?
ever beaten this one.
Show us how to jump, Nick.
Or are you going to do the
I
golden
can't even
hoop
stand
approach?
up. I'm just going to get anything I can.
Yes. Oh, there we go.
Approach.
Good start.
5 more. Or a golden one.
How much are those worth again? Are those 3, 4?
Hey,
Which
I've
ones?
already
golden
gotten the most that I've ever gotten.
Yeah, you're crushing this. Oh my!
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Lucky
what is this?
duck.
3 more.
Oh! No!
2
Okay,
more,
so
Nick.
episode 25 of the podcast, which has the multi-cloud database with Andrew Davidson.
Where's the hoop?
Ooh.
Waiting for the hoop to appear.
You're doing all right. You're doing all right.
Yeah, you got 2 more.
Hoop, hoop.
That's right.
Whoop, there it is. Well, it's whoop, but it's hoop work.
Yeah.
Got it. One more.
One
One
more.
more.
Oh, it's
Never-
insight.
I've never
You
gotten
got
this far. I've never gotten this
Oh
far.
my
The
gosh.
pressure.
Yes.
How do you know which hoop to go to next? I feel like it's all in a circle.
Any hoop.
Any.
Where are
Ah.
they?
Any?
It's just chaos.
Yes.
It looks like chaos.
Where are they?
I don't want to chance it.
I know. I agree. You want to push it? Yeah. I think that's smart.
Just wait for one hoop to come right here.
Nick, do you have a platypus hat on? Is that what that is?
It's
I
a
think
duck.
it's a mallard.
Oh.
Yeah. But platypus got
Ooh,
beaks.
almost.
They do.
Almost.
Indeed. Oh, almost.
There you go, Nick. One more.
Just one more.
Oh, no.
Nick, it's
Yeah.
worse that it was 5. That's painful.
Oh, you qualified.
Oh.
It said 11
No.
out of 11. No,
No.
you.
No, I got.
He's not in the
I didn't
11.
make it.
Man.
Oh,
You got
so
super far
close.
though.
Should we do one more
Oh, yeah,
game? And
I'm
then,
thinking one more.
grab
Let's
it?
do one
Yeah.
more round.
Let's do one more.
All right.
Make it
Any
count.
more questions about
People-
MongoDB or anything, really?
People are new. Adrienne always crushes her last round. It's just been.
We'll see. Unless it's freaking big fans again as the first one.
It could be big fans. It's the.
Yeah, why was that the first one? That's like
I
the
don't know.
final level right
I
there.
hate it.
I don't know. I don't like that one.
Oh, I'm scared. Pressure's on.
I also don't like Wall Guys. Have you played that one yet?
I don't think so.
No.
That's one where you have to push the blocks and climb over them to climb over separate.
Oh, climbing's
levels of
so
walls.
hard. Wall Guys is a funny name though. I'll give him some points for that. That's pretty good.
Yes. The
No,
line's
that's
going
amazing.
down.
38 people.
This was a good stream. Maybe we should do one before Christmas holiday as well.
I love that idea. Maybe, I would love
Yeah.
to play it. Maybe Among Us. We should try Among Us for.
Yeah, we could try that one.
Oh,
that
I
one
would
think
love
is
to do that. I've
cross-play.
been wanting to play. Yeah, I think I'm able to play that one.
Yeah, I think it's everywhere. I think you play. It's free on your phone. I don't know if you can sync up though. I would assume so, but who knows?
Other people have live streamed playing it. So if AOC can do it, guys, we can do it.
Yeah, right?
I'm scared to let the world see how much of a liar I can be.
My only problem with those kind of games is that like I want all the data, so I'm like, let's just like blow through the first 3 rounds so we can get some data, like on patterns and whatever, And everybody's
Yeah.
like, 20 minutes in the first round of Werewolf, being like, I wonder who it is. I'm like, one person died. How do you know? You have no idea.
You get the tells out right away. Yeah. That's an interesting strategy.
I'm just worried they're gonna put these streams into like our employee files. of, like-
Exactly. We see here you swore 417 times while playing Fall Guys on January 4th. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Oh, okay, arrows. Follow the arrows.
Yeah, and you're like, yeah, there were big fans.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sam's Pop Guy, for confirming that you can play with people on iPads and PCs, anything. That's awesome.
Yes, great, cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Sis.
Go!
Oh no, wrong area.
This is the first level, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the one that reminds me the most of Most Extreme Elimination Challenge, or what's the something
Oh,
castle?
Takeshi's Castle.
Takashi's. Yeah. Thank you.
Ooh, Big Eatus.
Come on, yeah, Big Eatus, Big.
Eatus, Big
That
Eatus.
did not work.
Oh,
It hit me in the
changed
middle of
that.
nowhere.
They
What's
Yeah, it
changed
the
that.
doesn't-
Vetus? I have
It's
no
this-
idea.
It's this big hammer. They changed this.
Oh,
This
okay.
used to be an open thing here.
Why is this
I
level
just
so
assumed it was
long?
some like internet meme I hadn't heard of.
It's kind of a meme
I'm stuck.
related. Boom, made
All
it.
right, I made it.
Oh, going. Cool. All
Yeah.
right, we'll follow.
Yay.
We'll follow this guy. Like gets destroyed by the hammers. Oh, he got in too. The hammer, I think, got most of us in there. Oh,
No, the hammer sent me into nowhere.
Yeah, it sent me to the middle. I thought.
oh,
there was-
really?
Oh, there's a rainbow costume. That's cute.
That's so cute. He's like a rainbow broccoli.
Yeah.
I saw a Mario costume.
What?
How do they not get sued for these costumes? That's
Impossible.
I mean, it looked like Mario,
It's like Italian plumber man.
like a cheap
Well,
knockoff version.
Yeah,
I didn't
exactly.
see
Well-
an actual collaboration. They did a collaboration with the Untitled Goose Game and Sonic, so those are
Yeah.
official.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, they
I love
got
having Goose
Fat
costume.
Sonic, right?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Oh no, which one?
The collections.
So we have a question about, do you recommend Mongo Engine? I started using it because I can define a schema, but I feel very limited when doing queries. Doing so with PyMongo is so much easier and it works great with MongoDB Compass. Any thoughts? I'm very opinionated about mappers. I hated ORMs when I was in the relational world. And I kind of get the point when you're using a document model, but like for me, like the mapping is all done because it's just a JSON document. So like you don't even need the mapping. And I get that you might want to do it for like business logic or whatever, but so I don't recommend or disrecommend it, but I feel like, and it's so funny because again, Nic, I listened to your podcast in my spare time.
Oh yeah.
And you were talking with the person who is now the maintainer of Mongoose, which is a similar thing, right? It's an object document mapper. And he even said that it's really good to know, like to get a foundation. Like it's easy to start with an ODM, but then when you get to the point where you start to feel limited, like it sounds like you're feeling limited, going to the raw stuff like PyMongo, like you're saying, it gives you that information. And so now you know why, like you can kind of feel why is Mongo Engine so limited? And it's because like, well, this is where the driver is limited and this is where it's not limited. And so maybe it was, it's limited because it's limited in the driver versus it's limited because that's how they programmed Mongo Engine. Eliminated.
I was so close.
I think I made it.
Yeah.
I think you did too. Let's see here.
I was number
Did you
30.
make it too?
I made it too.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
There's
Wait, I
definitely
think I
a
was
time and
number
a
30.
place for document mapping in my opinion, but I feel like if you have the expertise in-house to do it without a document mapper, that's always my preference.
Oh no.
I'm not sure.
I think
if
it's
made
well
it.
said. I totally agree. It's like you don't need it, but like if it like improves your workflow and you're aware of like the abstraction layer and the cost that you're paying for adding abstraction layers, like
Right.
that's okay. Like, but it's not. I think it's just being aware of that stuff. I think is the important part.
It's okay, so it's time to rewrite my backend.
Totally.
They might have like
yeah.
They might have like a pass-through. Sometimes you can get away with a pass-through.
I'm
For a couple of
spectating. I didn't
things,
make
but-
it. Adrienne, it's all
no.
you. Make it count.
You can. Is this Wall Guys your favorite? Your second favorite? Yeah, this one sucks.
Oh my goodness.
But there's no fans.
That's true.
How are people making that huge jump?
I don't know. That is
I
incredible
don't know.
though.
Push it this
Are you
way.
pushing it?
Jeez.
I know you have to be the sacrificial lamb to push it while everyone just waits.
I was gonna say, can you just like push off somebody else?
Yes.
You can. Yeah, that is a strategy in this game. Oh, nice. Okay, now where?
No. Ah! People.
Oh no.
Oh, the rainbow broccoli. I think it's supposed to be a cloud, but I. Oh,
Ah!
No, rainbow broccoli is awesome. I think we should just go by rainbow broccoli.
I think it's a
now.
rainbow. Yeah, I'm retconning this. It's for sure.
got this, Adrienne.
Wow. Yes. Yes.
You got this.
Oh!
You can do it. I believe in you. Yes.
No.
Oh.
Just the amount of traffic on that wall is just incredible.
She's got a chance still.
Oh, it's
I don't
just-
see like a countdown timer though. It's very.
It's the qualified in the upper right hand corner. So it's whenever it hits 17, people cross
Oh,
the
it's
finish
the
line.
first 17. Okay.
Then it
It's
ends.
not
Yeah,
a time
exactly.
thing. It's relative.
Yep. Sometimes
hard
it's
to
time,
watch.
but yeah, this one's up.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a cloud, not a rainbow broccoli. But I'll go with rainbow broccoli.
No.
Oh! Oh!
No.
Oh!
Wah, wah.
Aw.
Well,
It was a good
as
effort,
per usual
Adrienne.
with our final round, you did better than any of us. So
Yeah.
that's good. No crowns today.
No crowns today.
That's fine.
It's okay.
Next time.
Nick came closest to the crown, except he got
You all
pushed
get
off.
crowns in my book.
Yeah.
Couldn't even
That's
play
right.
it, so there you go.
Yeah, no, that's good. Thank you. I think we all deserve a crown in our life. No, this has been so much fun. This has been a
Yes.
blast, y'all.
Yeah.
Is there anything we want to plug before we leave for the holidays here?
AWS reInvent. We'll all be there, right?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
We've got a challenge too for reInvent, right?
Oh, I didn't know
we?
that.
All
Tell
right.
us more.
Yes. Oh wow! Now I have to go look it up.
Uh-oh.
Well, I know it because Andrew Morgan, who was working on my last project at MongoDB, made the reInvent challenge. So, and he's like an amazing coder. We have a web page for MongoDB at reInvent. It's mongodb.com/reinvent2020, which I'm sure, easy to remember. I'll paste it in the chat. Does the chat get put onto YouTube, or is it only like the little banner thingies that you do?
It does now.
Yeah, so we get some we have some late night stuff, which is actually pretty cool. And let's see, AWS Jam excels into database. Test your skills by connecting MongoDB Atlas Data Lake to CSV data that's been languishing in an S3 bucket, and then you can complete the challenge and claim your points. It's very exciting.
Anyone else going to reInvent? Let us know. There's like 300,000 people going.
Yeah, it's like
you should totally come hit us up. We're gonna be hanging out in the booth, so we'd love to chat with you. Yeah, but
now,
check
when
out the
are
challenge.
the booths? Because AWS reInvent is like 3 weeks long.
All the time.
Day.
Like all day, every day for 3 weeks.
Yeah, well, I think we're only staffing right now for the first week, and we're gonna play by ear for the last two.
Gotcha.
But, for sure, come down the first week. We'll for sure be there.
Yeah.
It'd be super fun. Questions, hit us up in the community. Follow us on Twitter. Be sure to subscribe to the Twitch channel if you don't already. We'd love to have you.
If you loved asking questions and getting answers, one of the things that you can do is join our community forums, which you can go to, I think it's community.mongodb.com, gets you right to the forums. And you can ask questions and more than 4 people will answer it. Very exciting.
A whole community of people.
You'll get
like imagine Stack Overflow, but it's full of only MongoDB folks.
who want to help.
Yes.
Who want to help, yeah.
Yep. That's the goal.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, awesome. This has been a blast, y'all. I had so much fun.
Yeah.
Follow us on Twitter if you want more of this.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll probably do another one of these streams near Christmas time.
And have a happy holidays. Happy Thanksgiving if you're in the U.S. Just have a happy normal day if you're not in the U.S.
Yes.
We'll talk to you guys later, I guess.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.